Hey guys, it's your girl Rosemary back again with another awesome tutorial. It's been a minute guys, I know. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to curl your hair with no heat. You're just going to be using Flexi rods, otherwise known as bendy rollers. So without further ado, first things first, this is what the hair is looking like before we're going to curl it. What you'll be needing are your Flexi rods, any size is fine. You'll be needing your styling mousse as well. You'll also be needing your hair serum, your leave-in conditioner, your holding spray, your wax stick, your hot comb, your combs. Yeah, next you'll be turning on your hot comb, of course, and then you're going to go in with your leave-in conditioner and your hair serum. You already know this step, there's no need to spill it out for you guys. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to part the frontal and style it according to my customer's specifications. She wanted me to braid the front part, that's what I'm doing. So yeah. So now let's get down to business. I'm going to partition the hair as usual and take the hair in portions, and yeah, so I'll be using my styling mousse to kind of wet the hair, but not really wet the hair. Just you need a little amount of styling mousse. So you're just going to watch what I'm doing. You're just going to take a little bit of styling mousse and apply it on the section of the hair, just like that, and make sure the hair is coated with the styling mousse. This process is self-explanatory. I don't really need to distract you guys with my voice. So what I'm going to do now, take the Flexi rod and start from somewhat the middle, but not really the middle, like you're not starting from the tip. So you're going to wrap it around the Flexi rod and continue to roll it, just like I'm doing. Just try and watch what I'm doing. This process is really easy guys, but make sure it's tight. Make sure you're rolling it kind of tight on the Flexi rod, and then when you're done, you're going to try and twist it together or lock it. So yeah, that's what we have, and I'm going to show you guys the step again. Watch closely what I'm doing. Make sure every part of the partitioned hair gets the styling mousse, but again, don't put too much mousse so the hair does not get really strong. And then you're going to gently comb the hair to smoothen it out before you go ahead and wrap it around your Flexi rod. Next, you should use your holding spray to spray down the curls, and the longer you leave these flexi rods on, the better you'll get a better result. So I left this on for 7 days. You can leave it for more. Some people leave it for 10 to 15 days. The longer the better. So I left this on for 7 days, and yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. It would have been better if I left it for a longer period of time, but my client needed it, so I had to give it to her. So when you're unraveling the flexi rod, just be gentle with it. Don't unravel it with force. Just take your time and gently unravel it. I forgot to add, so when you are done with coiling the hair with the flexi rods, keep the hair away from direct sunlight and fan or artificial air. Just keep it in a cool corner where just natural air will be touching it. So you shouldn't keep it close to a fan or AC. If not, the moisture you tried to lock in is not going to be there. The hair is just going to look really dry. So here I'm just trying to remove the flexi rod and also style the hair. So while I'm styling the hair, I'm also using my setting spray to set the curls. And baby, this is what our hair is looking like, and trust me, this curls is going to last longer than the normal curling wand. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.